How to make Snapchat account private. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make Snapchat account private. So let's get started. First thing you might want to know is that there is no option that will completely make your Snapchat account private. But there are a few settings that we can tweak to make it a more secure and more private account. So to do that, first open up your Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. After you tap on it, go to the settings on the top right. So after you're here, all you need to do is scroll down, and after you scroll down for a bit, you will see a section that says privacy control. Now right here, what you'll need to do is tap on your location, and here just make sure only few of your friends know your location and not many. After you do that, just scroll down and tap on contact me. So here just make sure you select your friends. After you do that, you can set other settings to the minimal one, and after you do that, you can just make your Snapchat account private. For example, if you just toggle this button right here, go to see me in quick add. After you go there, just make sure that this button is toggled off. Now no one can add you on from quick add. So after you've done that, your Snapchat account is almost private, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and